nuda mugenzi wacu akibakirimo kiramurya ibyo mu ntoki mu amaraso kigomba gupfa.
Okay, there are like 100 problems.
Ndatari ibibazo nk'ijana.
Not like this.
Ati ikibazo nk'umufite kirakomeye. Wa umusore mugeze yitaraga insulin. Arwaye aka diabetes. Asufite insulin isigaje iti. Ndati ntabwo yarenze umunsi.
He's torturing my sister.
Arimo arabaza mushiki wanjye.
We kept your sister alive.
Ati mushiki tukamufasha ni
so we could survive.
Kugira ngo tureko twabaho.
Me in that cage.
Saragoma muri cya gikeji.
I know what I'd want.
Icyo nakifuje. Twabonye za kwica mushiki we mbabarire. No twagarukiye ubushize. Nimbara mwivuganye. Mugenzi Grover Jones. Tanyire hakuno. Yicaye hasi. Harwaje.
Jesus.
Hana nyagasani.
Dude, it's just me.
Arije mwana.
Sneaking up on me.
Not sneaking up on anyone.
Na mundi kuzanganga bro.
Whatever, I'll leave.
Edizo. Mwana ko yafata kose nyina nagenda ariko.
Wait.
Buretse. Cyamurutaye ko nta muntu ugunda kuvugisha umbabarire mwana.
I wasn't really expecting anyone down here.
Ntabwo nari ari umuntu ubuzano wari wese.
I just came down here to see if everything's okay.
Naye naje hano hasi kugira ndebe ko ibintu byose bimeze neza.
She told me to kill her before she hurt somebody.
Ati mushiki wanjye yansabye kumwigitira mbere yuko agira umuntu yaba yakomeretsa. Kume byamunaniye.
Nobody could do that.
Ndabizi mwana nta muntu wabishobora.
We both know there are people here that could do that.
Ati ndabizi ko hano hari abazita ku bantu babikora.
Barrett's a douche.
Ati Barrett ni umuswa mwana.
Can't let this go on.
Ntabwo nareka ibingo bikomeze. Komeza kureba mushiki wanjye muri ubu buzima abo bararibwa.
Help me end this.
Mfasha tubirangize mwana. Nimufasha kumwica simbizi.
Lost and Found is my new favorite shopping destination.
Yewe mbonye twende twera rwose tumeze neza.
You okay?
Lishan umeze neza?
Lishan?
Shero umeze uti? Nanjye java yagera ku ruhande. Sasa yirwa ari aka diabetes. Jayitera isukari, insulin. Giza gutya. Sasa
Lashawn.
Beteshan.
Are you okay?
Bezereza. Abona nudo. Abona yahindutse. Sasa.
What's going on?
Bichi bijambere. Van. Asomwe cyozo. Usura atangiye gucanganyirwa n'imana bana medali. Lishan.
Hey, Lashawn, stop.
Shan umva ariko.
Tell me, what's with you?
Wambwiye bijambere. Biri indani.
Noodle the others they're in.
Abandi bari indani sizi. Nudo bari indani mu dushe. Arirukanga. Sasa banao bafashe mugenzi icya giti. Bashiraho umunyururu.
I hope so.
Nagurutse ngasora muri cyuye. Sasa yazarwana.
He's eating things.
Arabana bani medali. Reka tuvano ducike mwa ducike. Sasa Lisha na imana bani medali.
Yeah, there will be freaks in here if he doesn't stop.
Umbanza ari freaks nyinshi. Zombi byinshi. Tugiye gupira mwa dushaka kuntwacika tangira kwiruka ngacanganyise.
Come on, quick, give me the board.
Mwana mwaneze nyundo tubandufungano. Sasa batazanyundo. Funga bisumari.
Mary is loose again.
No, Mary yonje yasaze. Na mikinari. Bites. Abona Mary bamusohoye.
She was our only chance to
Mukobwa aramahirwe yacu yanyu.
learn more about them.
Tumwigeho turabye twakwirina bino binazi.
Let her go.
None muramucikije.
Take a step back and
Right,
then
zana na gutera imisumari varu usubira inyuma.
somebody gets hurt.
Mbere kandi wakomereka. Igaro nasubira inyuma. Sasu yacanganywe. Imana bone ibintu daza kwidirisha. Urakabaho.
Nuts!
Mwana wasaze cyangwa. Ntago yumva. Tamagarika bro. Sasa kirajyo ni igisore.
Can't let you through that door.
Ntabwo natumufungura umuryango. Box. Ushira hasi nta mbaraga afite. Hacinga. Dotanya episode ya 5 kuri Freakish. Ko tuitangiye. Nakubwira cyari Samano the premier for real.
Is he okay?
Yewe ameze neza.
I have never messed somebody up like this.
Gara sindangana n'umuntu bigezanga.
This isn't from getting punched.
Ntabwo ari ngumi gusa.
You can't know that.
Ntawabimenye.
Can.
Nabimenye.
Was he bitten?
Ese yari we cyangwa.
No.
Oya.
Goes the air outside.
He's not changing,
Yewe
stupid.
ntabwo ari barahinduka bisakuza.
I am simply trying.
Shut up, Barry.
Guys.
Asa bari tuwafunze umuntu. We mwitongana.
Zoe, if he's not morphine, then please tell us
None
what
natari mu
he
gitera.
is doing.
Tubwire ibiki bya mbere.
He needs insulin.
akeneye insulin.
He's diabetic?
Ari umudiyabetike.
He might have
Mana nyagasani.
fascinating. That can happen in the late
Arimo arabona ibintu bidahari.
stages.
Ati nyenize ibintu bijyanye n'abarwayi ba diabete imureza atanya kubona ibintu bidahari.
And you know this how?
Cyo bita hallucination.
I did an anatomy project on diabetes.
Nigeze kwiga ibintu bya diabete by'abarwayi ba diabete gakeya.
He said this can happen if it gets really bad.
None se ibyo bibaye ntabwo bakomeza kumera nabi.
Great. Just great.
This would have been nice to know a little bit sooner.
Ahubwo mwakabaye mwatubwiye kare ko arwaye diabete tukazwaje icyo dukora.
You want to talk about informing the group of an issue.
None ushaka kutubwo yari ushaka avuga ikibazo hakiri kare se.
So he's got how long? 1, 2 days?
Ese asigara igihe kingana umunsi ibiri.
More like hours, maybe.
Na amasaha kuko ashobora no guhita apfa.
Don't say that.
There's
Oh, we forgot my God.
1,000 students in this school. 1,000
Ikigo kirimo abana barenze 3,000.
lockers. Teachers.
Cyangwa byakunda harimo abarimu harimo abayobozi b'ikigo.
Got to be insulin around here
Cyangwa
somewhere.
byakunda twabura insulin muri iki kigo.
We will find it for
Reka tujye mu madorotwari yose no mu maloka y'abantu tureko twari ikintu twabonayo. Iyo tubona insulin arapfa. Sasa ubwo kuzenguruka ikigo cyose bashaka insulin. Sasa bana bo hakuno.
Any help?
Abo ukeneye ubufasha.
Not from you.
Ntago nyene ubufasha buturutse kuri wowe.
I'm sorry. I voted with Barry.
Mbabare natoye ballet.
You voted against Mary.
Watoye usa nk'uwanganya na mushiki wanjye.
And someday I'll explain why I did what I
Ati wenda umunsi umwe nzagusobanurira impamvu nakoze ibyo nakoze uyu munsi nabikoze.
did.
You know, if you feel so bad about it, tell me now.
Ase n'impamvu ko byakubabaje igira icyo uvuga.
I can't.
Ntacyo navuga.
Violet, you know Barrett. He doesn't give a shit about anyone but
Ballet watoye kujya ku ruhande rwawe uramuzwe nta muntu witaho muri twese.
himself.
Ballet ni umuntu wanapfa nagiye n'ikimuhindukaho.
Trust me, I know firsthand how
Ati ndabizi rwose ko naramanitse ikiganza ngatora Ballet.
Yet you decided to vote with him.
Wahisemo gutora kujya ku ruhande rwe.
Stop. He made me.
Niwe watumye mutora.
Made you?
Yatumye mutora.
I was there. He didn't
Nari mari.
make you do anything.
Ntago ari watumye umutora.
There are other ways to force people to do what you want.
Atari ko hari uburyo bumwe watuma umuntu akora ikintu ushaka. Atari ko agishaka.
So he has something on you.
Bivuze ngo aribanga kubikiyesa cyangwa ari n'impamvu ituma guhatiriza.
I can't say.
Ntabwo ibyo nabikubwira. Shaka abantu bize.
I expect anything more from you.
Yewe nta kintu nkutezeho birorera.
Less than a week.
Ndabona nta n'icyumweru ndamara nkwikuraho.
You don't owe me
Nawe nta kintu nzo.
anything, and you didn't know Mary.
Nta n'ubwo wigeze umenya mushiki wanjye.
Grover, it's not that simple.
Grover ntabwo byoroshye.
It is that simple.
Biroroshye.
You had a choice to protect yourself
Wari ufite amahitamo yo kwirinda.
or to let somebody else get hurt,
Cyangwa yo gutuma undi muntu yababara.
and you chose wrong.
Warangije uhitamo nabi. Yanzajya agashinja amakosa. Sasa uyu hakuno.
I'm so glad you're feeling better.
Mana shimwe noneho meze neza.
I missed you.
Nari ngukumbuye sheri.
I see.
Ndabibona. Kazowi. Karagwe na Lishani.
Hey, when they do this here?
Yashaka tubikorera hano cyane sheri.
I-
Ebera kabije. Ndabizi rwose sheri. Tayari. Kumbe nanuza na nudo na wavayo. Simana barakora ibiki? Kubera.
Dude, look at it.
Ko utarimo nareba no mu maso. Kumbe yabona yahirutse. Sasa maniga yabaye hallucinated. Aba nabo bazi yuko abanyeshuri benshi ntago babura umunyeshuri ufite insulin cyangwa abarimu. Buretse gato.
I got this one. I know the combination.
Iyi combination ya mushiki wanjye ndayizi loka.
Checking it.
Kaza tureme indani. Agari yagere ko ni ya mushiki wanjye. Rebye gutya. Baramudofoto twiwe na mushiki we yamanitsemo.
Look, man, I know this is harsh, but we don't have
Mwana ndabiswe babaje.
time for a pity party.
Ariko ntago dufite rwose umwanya w'ibirori by'agahinda. Byo kujya kwibuka mushiki wawe.
Gotta find insulin.
Tugomba gushaka insulin ya mugenzi wacu. Ko bafungura za loka uyafata agafoto kiwe na mushiki we.
Merry Christmas.
Mbego Noheli nziza. Kigwa ku icupa rya nuza ry'ikirikeri. Bro. Tubana dukemura ikibazo.
Huh?
Cyaka.
To Mary and Lyle.
Tugomba kuga Mary na Lyle. Iramukoroza ariko.
I would think that was hilarious.
Lyle yose akumvisha kare ibitangaza biri byiza.
So would Mary.
Na Mary ne nuko. Uyu nawe ari hakuno shiri wameze nabi Lishani. Diabete yakamejeje. Imbaraga zawe ndimo ndapfa.
Nobody's dying.
Oya humura nawe urimo urapfa shiri. humura doti wuri angije avuye yakubitana nande namusore Barrett.
My boyfriend's sick, of course I'm taking
Mushikiri
care of
wanjye ararwaye nta kintu navuga rwose nta muntu uri kumwitaho za kuva mutuzi
the girls' bathroom.
kuri muri jambo dushi abakobwa ariko
I know.
ndabizi
If you were doing anything but getting water for LaShawn, I'd give you your privacy.
ati rwose nimwe akora ibyiza ubikorera Lisha nagwa umwanya wawe
Take care of your brothers too.
ariko wakabaye bitano kuri basaza bawe
It's not creepy at all that you know about my brothers.
hasi basaza banjye bazi iki
You mentioned them in the lobby after the explosion.
ati wavuze kuri basaza bagiye bajya hanze haturikaga usanga bafite ubwoba bw'uko bashobora kuba bagize ikibazo
You were worried your mother wouldn't be able to calm them.
wari ufite ubwoba ko mama atari bubiteho
We're not talking about my family.
banagwa n'umwanya wo kuganira kuri famiye yanjye
Mayday.
Mayday.
Anybody out there hear me?
Sasa Natalia da kuri cya cyombo cyabo cya radio arebe ko yagira ahamagara
Mayday. I'm at Kent High School.
ndi kuri Kent High School kirawo Barrett amugwa hejuru
He startled me.
wrong hands
Doesn't seem to be reaching anyone.
bisa nkaho nta muntu muri kuvugana
I may have to admit all I've managed to fabricate is a machine.
nagerageje kuba nakora kuri iyo mashini ya static naga nafata imirongo iyo ariyo yose sasa banabo hakuno Violet ko yakaje hakunino asanga bwabona abantu bashyira mu musatsi hamwe wa mukobwa yarafungiye inari marazana amazi Lishan
Take a little sip.
kera usome udukeya
John,
Shan
here we go.
yewe kanguka
Stay with me.
yewe kumana nanjye
Stay with me.
Sheri
Oh,
mama bebe
What's wrong?
kibazo
he's not waking up.
ntabwo arimo arakanguka
Sean?
Lishan
Sean,
Lishan neza ku bintu bya diabetike n'uburyo afata aba diabetike
coma, which is what happens.
ibyo ni ibintu biba harabanza akajyaho muri koma gatoya ariko nyuma yaho gatoya bikarangira nabi
That's what happens to me.
cyangwa ko bitarangiye nabi
I'm sorry, I really am.
mbabarira rwose wihangane
I can't lose it.
ntabwo namubura ntabwo namuhomba abasaza begereye ku munyate
Lyle's mom had diabetes, lost her foot.
mwana Layiri mama yari afite na diabete abaza kumuca ukuguru
It was awful.
ni hatari
You knew him a long time?
mwamenyanye kuva kera se na Layiri
Yeah, since we were 7.
twamenyanye dufite imyaka 7 tukiri abana batoya cyane
His dad used to work in my dad's garage.
ati papa yakoraga mu igaraje ya papa wanjye
Dude, I can't
Papa wawe.
picture Lyle as a kid.
ntabwo nafotoramo rwose Layiri ko mwari mukiri abana mukiri bato kumbe Barrett kuza
You didn't find anything on this floor, I take it.
ati kuri iyi floor ntacyo mwabonye se
Food.
mwana nayo twabonye si ibiryo byabereye mu manuza ama
Okay.
loka y'abandi abana namwe itebebereye kuri ku munyate wabo sasa hakunino uyakomeza amabiro y'abarimu azakuno muri office fungura firigo kumbe muri ya firigo harimo pen ebyiri za insulin arangije azifata yitonze ashyira mu mufuka
It's getting worse.
yewe uriya musore arimo aramera nabi
There's not much time.
yewe bizo nanjye dusigaranye
Did you find anything?
arashyira aho babonye kumbe umutara ufite mu mufuka
No.
arahakana nacyo Violet nawe arakomeza nta muti yigeze abona sasa hakuno ko yari hakuno
Everything okay?
ibintu byose bimeze neza cyane
Mary liked.
Mary yakundaga kayoga kamugezemo
Liked airplanes.
kundaga indege
Real ones, too?
ni indege za nyazo se cyangwa z'ibikinisho
Yeah.
cyane
She liked taking trips.
yakundaga gutemberera mu
On a
ndege
job where she could travel a lot.
yumvaga yifuza kuzabona akazi katuma ajya uhora mu ndege
Like a diplomat?
yashaka kuba nk'umudiplomate buriya abantu bazi ubwenge yabona umuntu asa n'ufite agahungabana yibereye mu gahinda ke azamura ikiganiro akamushyigikira
Pilot?
shaka uzabibwira umunyafurika ngo muri mu gahinda utazamura ikiganiro ngo yakundaga indege shajunjana ibyo niba byarabaye tuza Afrika ariko twimereye naguhumuriza umuntu
Like a diplomat?
yumvaga azaba nk'umudiplomate se
Or a pilot.
yifuza kuba nk'umupilote
Or a salesperson.
umuntu w'umucuruzi ukomeye
Or a professional musician.
cyangwa professional musician umuhanzi ukomeye cyane cyangwa akaba yari professional muri hockey akajya baratembera amahanga atandukanye.
She seemed like someone who could do just about anything.
Ariko mushiki we agaragara nk'umuntu wakora ikintu icyo ari cyo cyose gishoboka.
I'm sorry about what happened.
Wihangane kubwo ibyabaye mwana. Ibibazo biza tukabyakira nta kundi.
It's weird.
Ntabwo yabyoroshye.
So many people might be.
Bantu benshi bashaka kuba bapfa.
Her as a freak is just.
Bonema namwe imagine nka zombie nk'izindi zose.
I get it.
Ndabyumva.
I can't even picture Addie like that.
Naye nimo ndafutura mushiki wanjye Adi ukuntu ameze ubu.
They're not dead, but.
Ntabwo bapfuye gusa.
They're not gone either.
Nta nubwo bagiye.
I keep hoping there's a cure.
Ariko ndacyafite icyizere ko wenda hari umuti.
Me too.
Nanjye nuko. Kumbuye Garrett nawe kuza hakuno afata umuti wa Lishan. Yabonye insulin ebyiri. Mwarawumena. Musoro ni bagamije iki?
We're soon enough.
Oya araza kuwukenera vuba. Amaze kuwumena. Umusore arimo arakora ibintu nanjye bwanye nazi. Arimo aravugana n'abantu abandi akabibahisha. Afashe umuti mugenzi we yarakeneye amenaho pepeni imwe abika kandi kamwe. Hey. Yitonze. Komboye hakuno. Ibarabona ibintu bidahari yakabona yahinduye imyenda.
You going outside?
Ngano gihanze gutembera
I
se.
feel air.
Shaka kumva kaya ko gahuha.
You gotta open the doors to go outside.
Ngomba gufungura imiryango kugira ngo usoke.
Can't stay in here.
Agwa naguma mwana indani.
Good. Try and get out.
Samwana komeza gerageze kwasoka. Kiraho. Bona haruri nyuma. Imara bone ibintu bidahari. Kumbari kure.
His heartbeat's really weak.
Mutima urimo atera gake cyane.
I'm gonna go check the gym lockers.
Kanza nyene muri za loka zo muri gym.
Then I'm gonna go check the nurses.
Natari n'abandi barese ntago baragaruka.
Okay, then I'm going outside to a drugstore.
I
Ngiye kujya kuri ya drugstore.
understand why you're upset, but acting impetuously.
Ako sizi mpamvu uri muri fata gutya.
I can't just do nothing.
Ntago naguma nta kintu ndimo nakora. Yewe.
This isn't necessary.
Ntago bari ngombwa ariko.
My point is, you don't have to search for insulin.
Icyo mvuga nagomba gushaka insulin nariyo nabonye.
It's okay. Where'd you find it?
Mwana yasuri kuyezi.
Principal Mitchell's office.
Ati muri office ya Principal Mitchell.
Why didn't you say something sooner?
None se kutabiza nyakiri kare.
Wanted to tell you when we were alone.
Arashaka kubwira turi twenyine.
I don't understand.
Ntago mbyumva.
There isn't really anything to understand.
Ntacyo gusobanukirwa kirimo. Wanyemye umuti kare. Ashaka kuma turi twenyine.
What do you want for it?
Mbwira nicyo ushaka nyuma yo kuma umuti.
Excuse me.
Nyanganira.
What do you want for it?
Umuti ugiye kuma ushaka iki niki kibyisha inyuma. Niki unshakaho?
Thank you will do.
Birabayeje
Am I
kunshimira.
supposed to thank you?
None ushaka ngushime mu buhe buryo? How am I supposed to thank you?
I must admit I'm a bit taken aback.
Nawe nyene kirenze.
The question.
Bansubize.
I don't know if your reaction is a reflection of
Sinshaka uburyo byitwara cyangwa uburyo byakira gusa.
how you see me or how you see yourself.
Uko mbona nuko wibona.
Either way, it's distressing.
Ubundi buryo cyangwa
Stop talking like that and just give me the pen.
mereza uwo muti nta kindi.
I knew you didn't care for me,
N'ubundi nagwanyitagaho kuva na mbere.
but to think me capable of taking advantage of you,
Usibye ko ntago nabonaho naguhera.
or for you to see yourself as something to be bartered like it.
Ntago ushaka kubera iki kibazo. Sasa umusore manza yarateretse uwo bakamukatira.
All I wanted was to help you and LaShawn.
N'ubundi unca amazi nibisangwa yuko nashaka kwara kugufasha wowe na Lishan. Akira. Cyarateretse baragikatira.
Thank you.
Ariko nabwo nubwo umuhaye kamwe undi yawumenya. Urakoze.
Boyfriend.
Genda fashe sheri wawe. Arangije. Maniga arakomeza. Sasa hakunino yoba ko hakamuteye umuti. Tangira kuzanzamuka.
I was so worried.
Ari nahangayitse.
I thought I lost you.
arinzwe no guhombya nakubuza Cherry banabo hakuno
Warm canned cheese.
hano bateguye agaporezo
And chips.
arahino dufiriti
I improvise.
Right.
yani atari barya mu mugenzi no basigaye
Pretty good.
I mean, best waffle chip.
yaragize abana kandi biraryoshye
A little something extra.
arakari ko kunywa afite hano
Thank you, Diesel.
Don't thank you.
wakoze Diesel bro ni atari kabisa bose arabasukira ne ya vodka basanze muri locker
Here.
mane mureke tumwemo
So Barrett,
tumwemo ku Barrett
you and I haven't always seen eye to eye. I just
nubwo turabona n'amaso ku maso
thought I didn't like you before I knew you.
mwana sinigeze mwishimira kuva na mbere nanakubona
You and me both.
ati twese niko bimera
But I owe you my life.
gusa wantabariye ubuzima ngufitiye umwenda niwenyesha ubuzima uyu munsi
Thank you.
wakoze
Spirit.
tumwemo ku Barrett Barrett
I would also like to make a toast
naye nakifurije ko tunywamo
to everybody we've lost.
kubwabo bose twabuze
Mary,
tumwemo ku Mary Lyle
Noodle,
Nodo
Addie,
na Adi
and all the others.
n'abandi bose twabuze bose banywamo ka Violet nako karahaguruka kavanayo hakuno cyafishe bari bamanitse
One thing about being stuck here
ikintu kimwe cyo kuba turi hano
is that there's no normal.
ni ibigaragaza ko nta bisanzwe
There are no funerals,
nta biriyo turimo
no memorials,
nta n'icyo twakwibukira bagenzi bacu
but we will do right by them.
ariko n'ubundi tugomba kuhaba tukababera
And we will remember them.
kandi tukajya duhora tubibuka dahino za kuno ku rukuta yandikaho n'inyuguti nini cyane mugenzi yandikaho izina Mary wenda nubwo nta kiriyo bakoze ariko bajye bahora babibuka genzi maniga yishimye mu wenda abandi bandika amazina y'abashuti babo Kochi Andy Noodle abajya kuruhuka baracomoka asigara Zoe na Barrett.
My brothers are 4 years old.
ati basaza banje yambaza gafite imyaka 4
Cute age.
imyaka myiza kunda abana
They're interesting.
biratangaje pe
You see the world completely new.
ati ndabona singari nshyashya
When my brother Patrick first felt rain,
ati gasaza kanje gato bwa mbere kumva imvura igwa
completely freaked out.
rwose kagize ubwoba
He thought angels were crying or something like that.
yarazi ko abamarayika bari kurira niko bajya babwira abana
Stop. We were all gonna
yarazi ko imvura itari buhite
drown.
ahubwo tugiye kurohama ndabibona
Interesting.
Right.
ati niko bimeze
I'm gonna go check on LaJohn.
reka njye kureba Lishan ukuntu ameze sasu yaracyababazwa maniga arangije Violet avayo
Where did you find this insulin?
nkubaza insulin wayikuye
In Principal Mitchell's fridge.
ati muri frigo ya Mitchell Principal
Really?
seriye
You didn't tell me you found anything when you were in his office.
ariko nta kintu ugeze umbwira ko wabonye ubwo twa turi muri biro ye ibuka baguye mbaje ngo hari imiti yabonye aramuhakanira
I hadn't when I talked to you.
ariko ntayo nari nakabonye ubwo twavugana
Well, thank God you did.
sano kadushima Imana ko ayibonye uyu mukobwa basa nkaho bose batumvikana mu kuntu ambaza ikese sasa hakuno Dizo azano gufungura amazi wapi sasa amazi nayo yagiye abako baraha
No.
I need to apologize to you guys.
mwana ndashaka kubaka imbabazi bavandi cyane
I'm sorry that I didn't tell anybody that Mary was bitten.
ndashaka mumbabarire kuba ntarababwiye ko Mary yari yarumwe ko nta muntu n'umwe nigeze mbwira
I don't really know if I knew she was going to turn into a freak, and I didn't
ababeshye ntabwo nari nzi ko wenda ndabazahinduka
want to admit it.
usibye ko no kubyakira ntabishakaga
Or I just hoped she wouldn't, and
nimvaga ko wenda yaba atarariwe
if I didn't say anything, it would all get better.
numvaga ninabiga ko aribwo bizamera neza.
I get that.
ndabyumva mwana.
I'm so sorry about what she did to Noodle Man.
kandi mani mumbabarire kubw'ibyo mushiki wanjye yakoreye Noodle.
That's not your fault.
ntabwo ari amakosa ye mwana. buriya hari umuntu ubwira akanakumva.
Guys, we got a problem.
mwana dufite ikibazo. iki se?
Water's out.
amazi nayo yagiye
Everywhere.
ahantu hose amazi yabuze. sasa urakabura ibiryo cyangwa se je ne connais pas. ndakeka rero kigenzi abaje mwakoze kuzamura bera sakara da premier mwumvaga nimutikwe nikurikira ndacyari we samano.